Welcome to an exceptional investment opportunity in the Rio Grande Valley, the Andara Apartments 4 Plexes. In a market with increasing apartment inventory, Andara stands out as a beacon of quality, attracting and retaining the best tenants while delivering the highest rental income. Location matters, and Andara's was carefully chosen to offer tenants an unparalleled lifestyle. This private, gated community boasts a dedicated park and playground, and the incredible amenity of being adjacent to the Mcallen Youth Baseball Complex with its walking trails, fishing ponds, and splash pads. Top-rated schools are within walking distance, and major universities and retail hubs are just a short drive away. This prime location is a key factor in attracting and keeping high-quality tenants. While surrounding neighborhoods grapple with an excess of cheap apartments, Andara consistently achieves the highest rental income in the area, averaging $5,800 per month per fourplex, coupled with remarkably low vacancy rates. This speaks volumes about the desirability and quality of this community. Contributing to this consistent appeal is the strict Homeowners Association. Unlike typical apartment complexes, the HOA here ensures a pristine environment with 100% of the building's landscape maintained simultaneously, guaranteeing a clean and attractive community at all times. This commitment to curb appeal is a significant draw for discerning tenants. These apartments were not built to just meet code. They were built to last. From the ground up, the most robust brands and construction methods were chosen. Notice the foundation work. Site pads filled and compacted with industrial-style heavy equipment, including a 16-ton roller compactor, motor grader, and water truck. Methods rarely seen in this type of construction. This meticulous attention to the foundation ensures long-term structural integrity. The commitment to quality extends to every detail, featuring the best American warranty brands on essential fixtures, 100% Carrier air conditioning systems with a 10-year warranty, and 100% solid ductwork for lasting comfort and efficiency. 100% General Electric stainless steel appliances, including a large side-by-side fridge with filtered water and ice, a glass top range, an over-the-range microwave, and a washer and dryer. 100% MON water faucets with a lifetime warranty, ensuring durability and style. 100% Hunter ceiling fans with a lifetime warranty, adding comfort and energy efficiency. 100% American Standard toilets, known for their reliability. 100% Rheem large 40-gallon double heating element water heaters with the longest warranty on the market for ample hot water. 100% quick-set doorknobs for security and longevity. 100% LED lighting throughout with easily replaceable bulbs for energy savings and convenience. 100% Sherwin-Williams highest quality paint on both the interior and exterior for lasting beauty. Further enhancing tenant appeal and reducing long-term costs is the energy-efficient construction, including spray foam insulation in the attic. This results in significantly lower electricity bills for tenants and extends the lifespan of the AC units. Additionally, each unit features private electric vehicle charging outlets at their covered parking spot, a highly sought-after amenity in today's market. The exterior is built to endure with a robust stucco system featuring cement boards over plywood and finished with STO, a leading long-lasting stucco brand. This ensures the walls won't fade or suffer damage from hail or tenant wear and tear. We've also selected 2 different brands of high-quality windows for optimal performance and durability, along with fiberglass exterior doors, a significant upgrade over standard thin metal doors. Tenants will also appreciate the most robust patio sliding door brand on the market and the custom natural travertine stone on the facade columns, adding a touch of luxury. Inside, tenants enjoy large bedrooms, a privacy layout with no back-to-back bedroom walls, spacious walk-in master closets, and modern all-tiled showers with frameless glass doors. Convenience is also key with 100% covered parking for 2 vehicles and included window blinds. The 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom units offer a generous 1,180 square feet of living space, complete with a large private grass patio and a convenient walk-in pantry. The well-designed 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom units provide a comfortable 960 square feet and feature a private concrete side patio. In summary, the Andara Apartments 4 Plexes represent a prime investment opportunity. These properties are already attracting the best tenants at the highest market rental income and are built with warranty-backed, long-lasting materials to ensure sustained value and minimize future expenses for the owner. Invest in quality, Invest in consistent returns. Invest in Andara.